But say basketball.
Akaba.
Basketball. How about this one? Is this a monster?
Matu.
Monster.
This.
Say monster.
Matu.
Very good. Is that Obama?
Oh, mama.
Christian.
Is that the baby?
Baby.
Baby. Hey, hi, baby.
A baby.
Christian, can you say baseball? Huh? Say baseball.
Fish. Hello.
Yeah.
Christian, who's this lady? Can you say hubba hubba? Hubba hubba.
Over.
No, Dada,
Say
no.
hubba hubba.
Over.
Get out of here.
Mama.
Say
Come
hubba,
on.
hubba, hubba. Come on, baby.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, baby.
No.
Baba.
Hubba hubba.
Baba.
There you go.
All right, Christian, what do you have? Is that a book?
Say
Yeah.
hi, Grandpa.
Can you say hi to Grandpa? Don't.
Baba.
Huh? Hi, Grandpa. Good job.
Tell him baseball.
Oh.
Oh, tell him. Come on, Dodgers.
No.
Say
Say-
go Dodgers.
Can you say? Christian, say Yankees.
He doesn't.
Ah,
He
he's.
won't say that. He'll say Dodgers. Go Dodgers. I don't know what that means.